Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 16th of March 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 16th of March 2021. Our first question is, which of the following state has ranked first in terms of providing employment under Manrega? Answer is option number 1, Chhattisgarh. What is Manrega? Manrega or Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It is an Indian labor law and social security measure that aims to guarantee the right to work. This act was passed in September 2005 under the UPA government of Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. It aims to enhance livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household whose adult members volunteer to do unskilled manual work. And recently, Chhattisgarh has ranked first in the country in terms of providing employment under Manrega. As per the official release from the state government of Chhattisgarh, in the current financial year, that is in 2020-21, the employment of nearly 60 crore 6 lakh and 84,000 man days has been created so far against the target of creating 50 crore of employment as sanctioned by the government of India. So answer will be option number 1, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, look at map. This is Chhattisgarh. It was formed on 1st of November 2000. Earlier it was under MP or Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Raipur. Governor is Anusuya Uike. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel. Its legislature has 90 members. 11 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 5 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. It is the 9th largest state by area and 17th by population in India. It borders with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana and Maharashtra, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Rihand and Indravati are the main rivers of Chhattisgarh. Next question. Which of the following state government has recently ordered the removal of all religious structures on public roads? Answer is option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government or Uttar Pradesh state government has recently ordered the removal of all religious structures on public roads. The official press released from the Home Department stated that no structure or construction of religious nature should be allowed on public roads, streets, pavements and by the roadside. The statement further reads that if any such structure construction has come up on or after January 1st, 2011, it should be removed immediately. These instructions have been issued by the state government in compliance with the order of High Court. Answer will be option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Governor Anandiben Patel. CM is Yogi Adityanath. It is the 4th largest state by area and 1st by population in India. It borders with Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Nepal. And Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ken, Chambal, Ghagra, Gombe, Son are the main rivers of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 15th March. Every year, 15th March is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day worldwide. It is celebrated every year to spread awareness about the common concern of consumers. The theme for World Consumer Rights Day 2021 is Tackle Plastic Pollution. Answer will be option number 3. Next question is, which of the following state government has recently introduced night safaris in national park? Answer is option number 1, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, the state government of Madhya Pradesh has introduced night safaris in the national parks in Madhya Pradesh so that wildlife enthusiasts can experience majestic animals in the quiet of night. Now, in Madhya Pradesh, tourists can book their night safaris on the Wildlife Safari Reservation portal that is operated by the Forest Department of the state. Answer will be option number 1, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, look at map. This is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Governor is Anandben Patel. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Its legislature has 230 members. 29 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. It is the 2nd largest state by area, 5th largest by population in India. It borders with UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan, and Ganga, Godavari, Galti, Narmada, Mahi are the main rivers of Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, which of the following country has recently shut down 184 Chinese websites? Answer is option number 4, Saudi Arabia. Recently, Saudi Arabia has shut down nearly 184 Chinese websites for targeting the Saudi market with poor and adult adulterate goods and fake offers. These websites also fail to offer consumers the option of return and exchange and after sale services, and instead deluded buyers with the quality of the offered products and do not include the store's data, address and contact numbers along with customer service. Answer will be option number 4, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, this is Saudi Arabia. Its capital is Riyadh, king is Salman, and currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Riyal. Next question is, who among the following has become the first ever batsman to score 3000 runs in T20 international cricket? Answer is option number 1, Virat Kohli. Indian captain Virat Kohli has become the first ever batsman to score 3000 runs in T20 international cricket, and Kohli has achieved the milestone during the second T20 international against England at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad on 14th of March 2021. Now he has 3001 runs from nearly 87 T20 international matches. New Zealand's Martin Guptill is second on the list of T20 cricket, having scored 2839 runs in nearly 99 matches. Answer will be option number 1, Virat Kohli. Next question is, which of the following women cricketer has become the first women cricketer to score 7000 runs in ODI? Answer is option number 4, Mithali Raj. Look into the image. This is Mithali Raj, and Mithali Raj has recently become the first women cricketer to score 7000 runs in ODI during the fourth match against South Africa women. Mithali, who is the leading run scorer in women's ODI, added another landmark to her name. She is also the first woman to score 10,000 runs in international cricket and the second in the world. Answer will be option number 4, Mithali Raj. Next question is, which state or union territory government has recently announced to open special women mohalla clinic? Answer is option number 4, Delhi. The Delhi government has recently announced that special women mohalla clinics will be opened across the city in the next financial year to offer free gynecological and other medical care services to them within walking distance from their homes. Answer will be option number 4, Delhi. Next question is, Dust League is a military exercise between India and which country? Answer is option number 2, Uzbekistan. Dust League is a joint military exercise between India and Uzbekistan, and in 2021 the second edition of this exercise has been held between 10 to 19th of March 2021 in Uttarakhand, and first edition of this exercise was held in 2019 in Uzbekistan, and in 2021 in the second edition of this Dust League nearly 45 soldiers from Uzbekistan and Indian Army are participating in the exercise. Answer will be option number 2, Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan, this is Uzbekistan. Capital is Tashkent. President is Shaukat Mirziyoyev. PM is Abdullah Aripov, and currency of Uzbekistan is Uzbek Som. Next question is, India's biggest floating solar power project is being developed in which of the following states? Answer is option number 3, Telangana. India's biggest floating solar power plant by generation capacity till date is being developed by NTPC in the reservoir of its thermal plant at Ramagundam in Pedapalli district in Telangana. It would be one of the renewable energy plant being developed by NTPC with an installed capacity of 447 megawatt in the southern region, and the entire capacity would be commissioned by the March 2023. Answer will be option number 2, option number 3, Telangana. Telangana, look at map. This is Telangana. It was formed on 2nd of June 2014. Capital is Hyderabad. Governor is Tamilisai Sundarajan, and CM of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Next question is, India's first World Skill Center has been inaugurated in which of the following states recently? Answer is option number 2, Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has recently inaugurated India's first World Skill Center in Bhubaneswar in Odisha with the cost of nearly rupees 1342.2 crore under the Odisha Skill Development Project, and the aim of this World Skill Center is to provide advanced skill training to the youth of the state and prepare them for competing at global level. Answer will be option number 2, Odisha. Odisha, look at the map. This is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganesh Lal. CM is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 members. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next question. PM Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated the curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in Dash. Answer is option number 4, Ahmedabad. Recently, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has inaugurated curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and flagged off Padayatra from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad in Gujarat on 12th of March 2021 to mark the 75th years of India's independence. To celebrate the 75 years of India's independence, several states and union territories will be organizing programs all over the country after PM Modi has inaugurated the curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So answer will be option number 4, Ahmedabad. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, in which of the following states world's largest zoo will be built by RIL, that is Reliance Industries Limited? Answer is option number 4, Gujarat. World's largest zoo will be built by Reliance Industries Limited in Gujarat. So answer will be option number 4, Gujarat. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Hearing Day? Options are 2nd March, 3rd of March, 4th of March and 5th of March. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.